At ayaw nilang pabalikin ang mga Marcos na alam naman natin, no? Ang mga Marcos, napakaganda po. Simula nung sa kanyang tatay ay talagang napakaganda. Hanggang ngayon, no? Ay manang-mana yon ni PBBM. Wala nang iba, mga kababayan. Si BBM lang ang nakagagawa nito at yung kanyang tatay. Mga kababayan, tuloy-tuloy.
For an ordinary citizen. Dahil isipin ninyo, you have to take the day off work, you have to find somebody to take care of the children, you have to find somebody who will take your place if you're working in an office, sino mag-cover para sa'yo. It's just impossible. So that's why we have always aspired to actually being able to do a one-stop shop na isang puntalan ay nandiyan na lahat. And yes, this is now what we are inaugurating here in San Juan. But as I said, it's not only here in Luzon, Metro Manila. We will also do the same thing for all the local governments around the country. And I think that is a very, very important development because we are trying to make things easier for our kababayan so that they can go about their business na hindi naman sila nahihirapan at kung ano-ano pangangailangan na nauubos ang oras nila. Sometimes it takes more than to get a normal clearance takes more than one day because pila ka ng pila, orada na pila ka, and then it turns out pagdating sa 5 o'clock kulang pa to. So, tomorrow, or next day, kung maghahanap ka na naman ng oras para pumunta. That is what we are trying to fix with this one-stop shop. And I think with the system that we have put together, I am very, 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 very optimistic that this will make things much easier. And then, we have now taken it even a step further. And we have government of the Philippines has finally moved into the 21st century. And that is with the eGov app that we had seen our friend David present. He actually wrote the code to this. Kaya't alam na alam niya ito. But again, this makes things much, much easier. That is why the aspiration here is that we will even go one step further. For those people na medyo malayo sa poblasyon, malayo sa opisina ng national agency, ay mas mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na basta't may connectivity. And I'm looking at Secretary Henry Aguda about the connectivity because we're working hard. Kailangan lahat ng Pilipino may connectivity, nakakapag-internet, may access sa Wi-Fi. Basta't may connectivity, hindi na kailangan pumunta sa ahensya, hindi na kailangan pumunta sa poblasyon, hanapin yung kung sinong tao na kailangan kausapin para makuha ang clearance, maayos ang papeles, etc. At nakita naman natin sa demonstration ni David na ito ay kaya nang gawin sa kahit saan. Basta't meron kang cellphone, meron kang smartphone, may computer ka, basta't may connectivity ka, you can do it, all of this online na nasa bahay ka lang. And we are now going to, what we have to do is, I think medyo nagugulat ang tao pagka binibigay namin ng mga statistics that 88 million have actually already acquired their national ID, digital national ID. Inuna namin yung digital dahil siyempre yun talaga ang pinaka nagagamit. Ngunit may sektor pa rin ng ating lipunan na nag-i-insist dun sa physical ID. So isusunod na namin yun. Ngunit with the digital ID, we are able to do all of the things that the eGov app is able to do. You can all do that in the comfort of your own home, in your office, or, while you're playing Candy Crush. If you have 5 minutes, then do the paperwork that you need to do over